Harry, are you alright?
No, I am not. I actually had a cold.
I am sorry to hear that.
Now, if you excuse me, I need somewhere to sneeze.
Okay. You idiot, you are supposed to sneeze on your elbow, not sneeze right into me. Now I will get sick too.
Whoops, I did not mean to do that. I'm sorry I sneezed right in front of you.
Well, you better be happy for yourself, because I am going to.
Oh no, now you are sick too.
See, I told you I could get sick as well. Are you unsanitary or something?
Look, I did not mean to sneeze at you, okay? Now let's just take our medicine and hop into bed.
Whatever.